Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 29th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the Euro dollar did make its way down to the 78% today. Now, we definitely cannot rule out the possibility of this being an ABC and this continuing the uptrend on the higher time frames. But it could also be a 1, 2, 3 and just keep on going down. So for now, I am definitely still recommending shorts. To me, it still kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3 also. So even if it does go up, which I don't know if it will now, I just think because of the 78%, that could be a good area of support at some point. It might end up starting something like this for like a wave four. And then we have FOMC interest rate news tomorrow. I think there's a chance we might get like a spike reversal tomorrow for like a wave five. And maybe this will end a wave C. A lot of price action can happen between now and tomorrow, and I will be doing a YouTube live stream starting 30 minutes before the FOMC interest rate news tomorrow. So definitely make sure you stop in to check that out because you're going to want to see my latest analysis on all your favorite pairs. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.